Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to stop WhatsApp from sharing data. So let me show you the steps you can follow to stop it. So the first one is launch the WhatsApp application on your phone. And if you're using Android, tap the Action Overflow button or the three vertical dots on the upper right corner and select Settings. And if you're using iOS, tap Settings tab in the lower right corner. Then select Account from Settings menu and disable Share My Account Info. From how you can do that, delete Share My Account Info or locate the Share My Info option, then tap the check mark to the right of the option and select Don't Share. Confirm your choice in the pop-up message, and after disabling the feature, the option will disappear from the account section in settings, and you won't be able to re-enable it. So yeah, this is how you can just stop data sharing on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.